A Call to Service by Benjamin Krem's Master. A Master Speaks, Volume 1, page 91. Within the limits set by his present level of consciousness, man has created much. Nowhere is this more apparent than in his scientific achievements, his art, his engineering, and architectural skills. Many geniuses have arisen to show the way, men and women dedicated to the task of enriching the culture of our time. Thus, as we stand on the threshold of the Aquarian experience, many new possibilities are opening up for man, calling him onwards to fulfill his potential, a divinity waiting to be revealed. Viewed from our standpoint, this is but a beginning, a preparation for the creation of a civilization such as man has never known, a civilization which will not only rival, but far surpass the most brilliant of ancient times. Then, as we do now, the masters led the way, but openly, known as the bestowers of knowledge and truth. The wheel has turned, and we retrace our steps. Soon, the world will see the return to the world of the elders of the race, the knowers, the sons of God. Prophecy has foretold our advent and quickened the expectancy of the disciples, but many such sleep soundly, oblivious to the happenings of the time. There are many who await our coming with aspiration, but envision it in a far future time. Know not that our hand knocks now upon the door. Awake, my friends, awake, workers for the good. We need all who would work with us to transform the world. We need your aspiration, your joy, your hope and trust we cherish. Make ready to see us and to welcome us into your lives. There is no need to fear our return. We embody the center of love. That is our nature and invokes our service. Know this to be so and fear not. We shall be with you as elder brothers to show you the way, for long have we awaited this opportunity to serve you, counting the years till we can be among you. When you see us, you will know that the time of the end and of the beginning has come, the end of the old separation, the beginning of partnership. There is now afoot a plan of salvation for the world. This involves the cooperation of all those who long to serve the world. To serve today is not difficult, for the means of service lie to hand, and the earth itself cries out for succor. Choose your field of service and endow it with your ardor, knowing that as you do, so your soul will equip you for the task. Know, too, that our hand will strengthen yours and share the burden. Certain it is that much needs changing. The tempo of the change will depend on you. We rely on your cooperation to carry out the details of the plan. Service calls the vanguard of the new civilization to build the foundation of tomorrow's better world. Take your places in that roll call and aid us in the work of salvage. Pass it not by when the hour has struck.